Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm actually in a massive greenhouse. It's an abandoned greenhouse, absolutely ginormous. There's like four sizes, like four massive, huge rooms here. Very overgrown, as you can see. It looks like it's been abandoned since I don't know when, but it looks like 1970s, 50s. I mean, the glass is quite thin, and a lot of the glass has fallen out onto the floor. But there's a lot of it over here. I'll show you in a second. So keep watching. Well, here we are with the massive greenhouse, a part of it. It's mad. Just being cautious because there's a lot of glass on the floor. But yeah, absolutely mad. There's like trees and everything in there. It's totally past its sell-by date. And yeah, some more stuff over here. So have a look over there in a minute. There looks like some more interesting stuff that way. Oh my god,
I've got to get some photos.
How the crap has the car got on its roof in a greenhouse? What the hell? I wasn't expecting this.
What they've probably done is they've probably been speeding across the field, hit a pothole or something, and it's just the bullet's gone down and it's tipped them up or
I
something.
just can't understand because like there's like no holes in the fence or anything. There's like more cars over here as well.
Oh, there's more over here, yeah.
Oh my god, I wasn't expecting this. It really is as well. What the hell? How old are these cars? They're like 70s, surely.
There's a little barn or something.
What is that? Oh mate, I've got to have a look at this. Look at it, there's all spike. It must have been like a car furniture place or something, as well as a greenhouse. It's like something off Grand Theft Auto. Drugs bust. What the hell? It's a little interesting lantern bit there.
Looks like a private garden up there. So
Private.
if we're going to get found, it's going to be people up that way.
Yeah, let's not go in there. Let's keep this way then. God, look at this car as well. Yeah, this looks like an old. Don't know if anyone knows what these cars are. Let us know. Man, there's like another one on its roof up here as well. Look at that. There's like a load of them back here. I've never seen anything like this before. What the hell? I mean, guys, look at that. It's like a massive lorry or something here. Look at this. There's a massive vehicle back there. God, look at that. It's so flat. Old shoes. What are they about? Mate, there's more cars down there. Look at that. I mean, how has it got into that state? There's a fuel pump there. Yeah. Look. Look at this. This is, as Chris Eubank Jr. would, or Chris Eubank Sr. would say, this is legendary.
Oh, yeah.
There's like an old briefcase here as well. There's more cars this way as well. Looks like something off of Beatles or whatever. Is that film?
Nice.
There's another one up in the distance there. There's a load of crap there. There's a door frame here.
I mean, what's that? No, I'm probably completely wrong. I want to say Bentley. No,
Bentley like that.
No. Yeah, I think I'm wrong. I don't know why I want to say Bentley.
Look at that. Front of that, this is huge, that one. These are definitely 70s, 60s era.
I'd say this one's older. I'd say this is probably. I'd say that's pretty old.
Mad, isn't it? That fuel pump is very interesting indeed.
Watch out! Out the road, out the way, come on! I'm gonna win this race! Oh, win the race, round the corner, on the next one. Crash!
It's weird that the greenhouse was there, but that was probably the same era. But I reckon this was a workshop.
I think that was the way we were gonna come in, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Yeah. What's it? Is a wasp in there
It was a work.
or bee? I reckon that this was a workshop on cars.
Yeah, it looks like
Bath.
something like that.
See Bath there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is definitely some kind of workshop. I mean, I want to go in a little bit more.
I'm going to start getting some photos.
Sure. Yeah, this was definitely a workshop. Look at all the equipment and stuff. Like, it's just a waste of stuff. Mad. So definitely a workbench of some kind there. Definitely odd. I wonder if any of this has dates on it. I might have a look. Whoa, that says 1865. Oh, sorry, my misreading. 61865. Gonna say. Ain't any cars built then, anyway. Mad. Like a time capsule a bit. I mean, there's another sort of thing here as well. Can't get in because half the ceiling's broken, but sort of thing over there. I don't know what that is. Some random shit here. We've got the side of the vehicle there. It's a right mess. How the hell is it got like that? They look all broken. Well, no shit. They are broken, but I reckon, because that greenhouse is in the background there, I reckon that was a storage area for the cars, perhaps. It seems a bit weird that there are no cars in there, though. But yeah, they're all around here for sure. Oh, this is mad. What a find.
I know, it's mental, isn't it?
This is mental, yeah.
I just wasn't expecting that. It's proper full on.
Well, guys, there we have it. Discovery we never even thought we'd make. All these cars. It's ridiculous. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and if we find anything more, we'll be sure to tune in and share that with you as well.